everyone. Welcome to Chinese lesson with Miss Shirley. Today's lesson is on colors of the rainbow. We are going to go through it first in traditional Chinese. Then for the second time, we're going to go through the slides in simplified Chinese. Let's get started. Hong, hong, red. Cheng, cheng, orange. Huang, huang, yellow. Lü, lü, green. Lan, lan, blue. Dian, dian, indigo. Zi, zi, violet. The second time through, we will go through the colors a little faster and say it back to back as the way a Chinese person would say them in reference to the colors of the rainbow. The slides you will read will be in simplified Chinese. Let's go. Hong, cheng, huang, lü, lan, dian, zi. Let's do this again. Hong, cheng, huang, lü, lan, dian, zi. How did you do? And this concludes our lesson today for colors of the rainbow. If you'd like to learn more about colors and related grammar and sentence structures, I have another tutorial on additional colors and examples of usage. I will drop the link below. Please check it out. Thank you for joining me today again. Please hit like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications so you won't miss a lesson. Chinese Lessons with Miss Shirley. See you next time.